Okay, boys and girls, this next video is to guide you guys through the process of writing your rough draft. We already did a video about talking it out, and that can be found right on slide number 12 right there. What I did to make my rough draft is I used my T-chart and I used what I was saying when I talked it out, and I wrote it all down on my paper, and then I color coded it, as you can see. There are 8 mistakes in here, and I'm wondering if you can find all of them. The next video that I will make is going to show what it would look like to review this rough draft and look for those mistakes and fix them using some type of red or blue pen or colored pencil. So what I'd like you guys to do is review this slide, read through my rough draft. One thing I want to point out is my yellows. Notice how my yellows, I bring that topic sentence into it. So for example, instead of just saying also, Uno is a game of luck, which was what my big idea was, instead of saying that, what I said was also, Uno is the best game because it is a game of luck. So I bring that best game ever piece down into my yellow. That's what I want you guys to do, to stretch those yellows out and make them sound a lot stronger and add more detail to them. And then you can also see with some of my reds that I use linking words. For example, down here in these supporting details, my supporting detail originally was you can make it a long or short game and it's portable. Here's how I stretched it out, and here's how I added my linking words. I said you can make it a long or short game, and there's my linking word. It is portable, which means you can take it anywhere. I also added a transition word to my conclusion. Instead of just saying, Uno is the best game for a plethora of reasons, I said, as you can see, Uno is the best game for a plethora of reasons. So I'm definitely looking to see that you guys are able to stretch these out, add some details. I'm going to read my rough draft to you, and I want you to just pay attention and listen closely and look closely to see what kind of mistakes you can hear or see. What are some reasons why Uno is the best game ever? First of all, family time, play at holidays, spending time talking and laughing. Also, Uno is the best game because it is a game of luck. You never know what the cards in your hand are going to be, or if somebody is going to play a vicious card on you. Lastly, Uno is the best game because it is easy to play. You can make it a long or short game, and it is portable, which means you can take it anywhere. As you can see, Uno is the best game for a plethora of reasons. So that's my rough draft. Next video is going to show you how to fix the mistakes. And then I am done and ready to go for Friday, which is when we do our final draft. So I've already talked it out and I've done my rough draft. Now I'm going to edit and revise.